Hello all, I'm Sairam. I'm an IT professional from Hyderabad. I've been using the LASERON S9 PRO for nearly a month now. And before purchase of the robot, we used to face difficulty like cleaning in the low-lying areas, like under the almaras, under the cupboards. Every time bending and cleaning under them is really a tedious job. And after purchase of this robot, I'm really happy. I can sit and relax, and the robot does its job. It goes under the cupboards, it goes under the almaras, and pulls out most of the dust. So I recommend this robot to everyone.